So 18 hours ago, Notion released this report where they surveyed 6,000 professionals across 10 markets, trying to understand and to map where AI is positioned at work. And this report, if you open it, it's around 18 pages as per the table of content. And as I know, not everyone has the time to read all of this, I've tried to make a really basic or summarized review of the report with only the numbers that matter to me and the businesses I work with. So basically, if you can see, as you can see here, this is the biggest gap. We have 88% of organizations that are still at level 2 and level 1 using AI as a personal productivity tool, which means AI is still not baked into the business, or it's not built into their workflows or used as a system. So it's just like individual initiatives of employees or decision makers using AI for their own personal use or for the business use independently. However, only 2% have reached level 4, which means they are using AI agents that are running business critical workflows end to end. Okay. Now, in the second number is regarding the gap between how AI decision makers and AI users see the AI use in the company. So basically, decision makers are 5 times more likely than their own employees to say that the organization has reached advanced AI maturity. So there is a big gap in how these two categories look at AI inside the business. And then we have trust and visibility, which is exactly the same problem at all sides. So 71% of AI users, they say that they would use AI more if they trusted it not to make mistakes on important work. Okay. And while 50% of AI decision makers say that employees are using unapproved AI tools, or admit they simply don't know which tools are in use, when, or how often. So this is really important because the solution is coming very soon in the latest slide. And this is the hardest jump, which means it's getting it's the problem is not getting started. It's not complicated to start using ChatGPT or Claude as your own personal AI support agent, or not agent, sorry, but just support, AI support body. The problem is reaching level 3 or level 4, because that's when you need really systems instead of individual initiatives. And then here we have the solution to this problem, which is integration, governance, and measurement. So first, you need to wire AI into the systems where work already happens, instead of using it as a standalone application that is completely disconnected from your workflow. And then we have governance, which means we need clear ownership and oversight and guardrails as AI moves from personal use to business critical work, because the way we use AI as individually is not going to be the same as when we incorporate AI to the business. And then we have measurement, which means we need really defined metrics tied to quality, workflow, and financial outcomes. We don't want self-reported time saved or self-reported results like, hey, AI is saving me 20 hours a week. The other person says, no, it's only saving me 5 hours. So this needs to be, a company-wide measurement standard. And then lastly, we have the AI transformation trades old problems for new ones. So it's not always green on the other side. So we have also problems that are resulting from the use of AI, like low trust in AI outputs as a barrier. And then we have skills training gaps as a barrier. So a lot of people, they don't know how to train AI or use skills properly. And then the biggest problems are too many AI tools, which is tool sprawl again, because the moment you have so many tools, so many options, this is when you fall in the trap of AI tools or tool sprawl. And then we have difficulty seeing real impact. And then lastly, we have inconsistent model performance. So yeah, this is a quick overview on the report. If you have any questions, let me know.